I'm Faye and I'm one of 3 directors from a travel agency called Travel Inspirations, and we have been in business since May 2016. I think our biggest challenge to date has actually been setting up a new business. None of us come from a background of business-minded people, so it has been certainly an entertaining challenge and we've had to learn lots of new skills very, very quickly. Our biggest achievement so far has been our branding. I think we've really captured the essence of what we are as a business. So pure luxury with a little bit of class. And I think the testimonials that we've had from customers, not only about the service that we provide, but also about the quality of our branding, has really been our biggest achievement. So we accessed Busnes Wales online, and that was really our first port of call, not having had any business experience before. The website was really user-friendly. It had lots of information that helped us structure our business and decide how we were going to move it forward. We've also accessed some of the training courses, which have proved to be really, really useful for us. So I think the qualities of a really good business person are that they've got a clear vision, so they can see exactly where their business wants to go. They've got resilience, so when things don't go quite so well, you just keep on going, and tenacity. And I think those are the 3 main qualities that you would need. Busnes Wales Directory for us is the hallmark of what we want to be. It's the essence of professionalism, there's trust, and it's so that our business will be recognised amongst similar groups of people with the same sort of vision. My 3 business top tips would be: decide on your branding, be very clear about it so that you are represented by your logo and branding. And my second top tip would be networking. You need to join the right groups so that you are mixing with the right people, and ensuring that social media is going to be the forefront of how you're going to promote yourself in this day and age. And my third top tip would be to keep going. No matter what happens, don't be afraid to ask the right questions and find somebody, if you don't know, find somebody that does.